how to use Chime Credit Builder Card to build credit. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Chime Credit Builder Card to build credit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, what is Credit Builder? Credit Builder, or technically the Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card, is a no annual fee, no interest secured credit card that helps you build your credit. How do I start using Credit Builder? To start, you need to have a Chime checking account and receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more. Then go to the app, tap on Settings, and tap Try Credit Builder. Once you're approved, move money into your secured account from your debit account. Then start making purchases with your Chime Credit Builder card. It's subtracted from that available amount, so you won't spend more than the money you set aside. If you choose to turn on the safer credit building feature, your outstanding balance will be automatically paid on time every month with the money you set aside. This way, you always pay on time. One crucial aspect of building credit. You can turn this feature on in your settings. What does Chime report to credit bureaus? They don't report on credit limits since there isn't a preset limit. You can decide yourself how much you want to add on Credit Builder. They also don't report on card utilization. That means spending up to the amount you move to Credit Builder will not show a high utilization card on your credit history. However, report your on-time payments to credit bureaus. Our members can see a credit boost of up to 30 points on average. For make credit building a no-brainer, apply for Credit Builder today. So that's how you can use Chime Credit Builder Card to build credit. That's all for this video.